Alright, so for Abel, the first thing he's gotta know is basically his go-to combo, which is this. Instead of the Skyfall, the best thing about this combo is that if you have the meter, you could, instead of just going for the Skyfall, you could go straight into Ultra, which does a ton of damage, and it's one of the best comeback factor for any character in Street Fighter 4. But in order to do this, like, the commands is pretty simple. Just step kick forward and fierce punch. Now if you could do this, that's great, but the problem with this is that just pressing fierce, you have a really small window of getting that fierce in, so you get blocked like that. So what people do is, I missed that one, but this one right here, now you might think I'm just pressing a lot of random buttons, but what I'm really just doing right here is pressing fierce, mid punch, and light punch, jab, or whatever you like to call it, pretty much almost at the same time, but in that order. So fierce, mid punch, and light punch. So when you do that, I'm only pressing each button once, but what you can see is that the game thinks I'm pressing fierce punch twice. So obviously the best thing about this is that instead of, having one chance of that fierce coming out, you have two chances, two times that fierce coming out. That's why they always blink. Now right here, you see me pressing fierce and mid punch slowly, like one after another. I'm gonna go faster and faster and faster and faster, and soon you start seeing that it's fierce and then mid punch and fierce at the same time. Keep in mind again, I'm only pressing fierce and mid punch once, but it looks like the game thinks I'm pressing fierce punch twice. You get that. Once you get that, the combo gets really, really simple. So that's pretty much playing.